The Mysterious Key. Chapter 1. The Old Box. Oli is a 13-year-old boy. He lives in a small village with his mother. Their house is old and quiet. One day, Oli goes to the attic. He sees a big, dusty box under a cloth. He opens the box. Inside, there are old clothes, books, photos, and a shiny key. The key is heavy and looks very old. "What is this?" Oli says. He puts the key in his pocket. The next day, Oli looks inside the box again. He finds a small envelope. Inside the envelope is a map. The map shows the house, the garden, and a forest. There is a red X on the map. Next to it are the words, "Look under the tree." Oli is excited. Maybe it's a treasure map, he thinks. He wants to follow it. Words: attic, dusty, shiny, heavy cloth, envelope, map, treasure, forest, excited.